Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear Mr. Ramadan Tosepu and Mrs. Devi Savitri, thank you very much for direction in completing the journal segment for International of Health Seminar course. My name is Amirullah, student of postgraduate program of Public Health, University of Haluoleo Kendari, Indonesia. Ladies and gentlemen, I will present the journal, the title Epidemiology of Tuberculosis Disease Using Surveillance Data in Kendari City, Indonesia. Well, slide first. Introduction. Tuberculosis is an infectious disease caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis bacteria. Tuberculosis is still becoming one of the public health problems in the world. Even though efforts to control tuberculosis have been carried out in many countries since 1995. Next introduction. Indonesia ranks third in the world after India and China in finding tuberculosis cases in 2018. The number of tuberculosis cases in 2018 was found up to 566,000.623 cases. It increased comparing to all tuberculosis cases found in 2017, which amounted to 446,000.732 cases. Interaction next. One of the efforts to control and to counter tuberculosis disease is to strengthen the tuberculosis surveillance system. This activity aims to determine the spread of tuberculosis cases and to predict the place of transmission of tuberculosis. Therefore, it can provide recommendations for preventing tuberculosis in Kendari City. Next slide, methodology. Administratively, Kendari City consists of 11 subdistricts, namely Kendari, West Kendari, Mandonga, Puatu, Kadia, Wawa, Baruga, Puasia, Kambu, Abeli, and Nambo. This study uses various data from the Indonesian government bodies. Data on tuberculosis cases was obtained from the Kendari City Health Office from 2017 to 2019. The data was taken from the annual health profile published by the office. Research findings are presented in figure format. Next, result of the study. The results showed from 2017 to 2019, distribution of patients with tuberculosis by gender was more in male. The means that effort to control tuberculosis in Kendari City have not given optimum result. Well, next result of study showed by this subdistrict. The result showed that distribution of tuberculosis by the subdistrict in Kendari City in 2017 and 2018 was mostly found in West Kendari subdistrict, while in 2019 the highest number of cases was in Kadia Subdistrict. Next, in 2017, the prevalence of tuberculosis was 545 cases with the death rate of 14 cases. In 2018, there were 697 cases of tuberculosis with the death rate of 15 cases, while in 2019, the prevalence was 711 cases with death rate of 18 cases. Discussion: the proportion of cases of tuberculosis in men was 16.7%, while in women it was 39.3%. Other reports also mentioned that the most dominant pulmonary TB sufferers occur in men. In adults, the male will be very vulnerable to contracting tuberculosis due to work activities that require them to keep working, with the lack of information obtained about the mode of transmission and the risk of transmission of tuberculosis. Next conclusion: most tuberculosis sufferers are male with a distribution that tends to increase every year. The prevalence of tuberculosis since 2017 has always experienced a significant increase cases. On the one hand, this shows that there is a strong tracing of the health workers. On the other hand, the prevention of tuberculosis cases has not shown optimal result. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.